Once you've reached your field location, you're ready to unhook the drill from your truck. It's just the reverse order of what it was to hook up. We recommend that you choose a level ground to unhook. You can use a rock under the tire in case you're concerned about the drill rolling, just for safety precautions. We have an operator's manual that's stored with the drill. It's in this tube right here. Just unscrew the top and the manual is inside the tube. It's a pretty decent manual to help you answer any questions that you might have. One of the benefits of the drill is that the openers are 5.5 inches, so as you're drilling, you're going to really cover ground and your seeds are going to be closer together for less weed growth. Our soil district purchased this drill from Zimmerman Farm Service in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. Carl Zimmerman is the owner-operator of the business. Excellent man. His phone number and information is on the drill, so if you have any particular questions that we wouldn't be able to answer, you're more than welcome to give him a call. Just back your tractor up as you would your pickup. Make sure that your drawbar is where you can put the draw pin. Make sure you have your key on your pin and you're locked in. Let the jack down. Again, store the jack for road use. Unhook your hydraulics from the hydraulics line storage. Once you have the drill hitched to your tractor, your next step is hooking up your hydraulics. This drill has 4 hydraulic hoses. You can use a tractor with just 2 hydraulic ports, but it would require you to just do one function, unhook, hook the other 2 hoses up and complete the other function. This tractor has 4 ports, so I'll show you. The hydraulic hoses are located here. Take them out. If you have a rag, clean them off because they get dirty with road travel. Bring them over, hook them up to your hydraulic ports or couplers. Again, clean the male couplers off, hook them up. If the hydraulic lines have pressure in them and you can't get them hooked up, in the toolbox we do have hydraulic coupler valve release or pressure relief valves for you to use. The red hoses will have this color coordinated red for the field rotation. The blue hoses on this side will be for the field up and down. In other words, when you let the drill down so that your openers and your coulters are in the ground, you're actually no-tilling at that point. You'll have to experiment with your tractor. Every tractor's hydraulics are different, so you'll have to experiment to get to put the drill into field position and the drill up and down. Again, let me remind you, if you only have 2 hydraulic couplers on the rear of your tractor, use the 2 to put the drill into field position, take them out, use the other 2 hoses for your actually seeding process, drill up and down. With your hydraulic hoses hooked up, you're ready to put the drill in field position. We showed you the lock, the tongue lock lever for road position. You need now to release that lock so that you can hydraulically move the drill to field position. With your hydraulics properly hooked up, you're ready to put the drill into field position. Just a really important 2 points. Number one, you must not have your emergency or park brake on your tractor, and while you're putting the drill in field position hydraulically, do not have your foot on the tractor brake. The drill has to move, your tractor has to move just a little bit for the drill to successfully hydraulically rotate. Also, if you have a rock or field chuck for your tires, make sure you remove those also. Those tires have to move freely. At this point, I'm ready to release the lever from the road position on the tongue. You might have to start your tractor and move that just a little bit. If you can't get it, release it. You may have to start your tractor and work your hydraulics a little bit, because this hydraulic ram can put pressure on that safety lever.
Ready?
Yep. Just a touch on the hydraulics and the lever is off now. It's ready to open up hydraulically into field position.
All right, before we start seeding, we need a few things that we need to take care of. One is we need to look at the acre meter. The acre meter is right here. That measures our acreage. We need to take a picture before we start seeding and after we finish seeding. Okay, when we get that picture, we need to send those pictures to Carla at the Soil Conservation District office.
The number of acres red on that meter is what you will be charged for the rental of the drill.
Oh, that was painful, man. Okay.
The field tires need to be all the way down before you rotate the drill. Next, the road tires are going to come up and the drill will be rotating. You have your emergency off? You got your foot off the brake? You want to make sure you bring your road tires all the way up. You'll notice as the drill is rotating in field position, your tractor is going to move backward. That's why you cannot have a brake on. If you have a brake on your tractor, it's going to cause so much stress on that drill for it to rotate into field position. No brakes, emergency or foot brake.